Welcome to the world of CADD Centre training. AUTODESK Inventor. We offer training in Inventor 3D CAD in certificate, diploma, professional and master diploma courses. Armed with our world-class training in Inventor, you can become an expert in professional-grade 3D mechanical design, documentation and product simulation tools. Our courses in Inventor teach you how to use the software for parametric sketching with advanced sketch tools, modeling using primitives as well as with iLogic parts and iFeatures, defining, building, manufacturing and documenting sheet metal parts, creating assembly with grounded components and flexible components, creating automated drawing views using advanced drawing annotation tools, exploring data formats for Inventor, import and export, creating images and animating design data with Inventor Studio, freeform modeling. Enroll in the Inventor 3D CAD course of your choice. Learn the advanced modeling capabilities and powerful design automation tools that could take you to the next step in 3D mechanical engineering design. Visit the nearest CAD Centre or log on to www.cadcentre.com.